Let's put the Instant Pot to work with this chili mac recipe. It's the perfect family-friendly recipe that's hearty and delicious. The first thing that we're gonna do is brown our beef in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna press the saute button and add the ground beef or turkey and cook it until it's browned. Then I'm gonna add the onion and saute it with the beef for about 2 minutes. Then we add garlic, spices, and we start to combine. By the way, in the description box below, you're gonna find the ingredient measurements to this recipe. And while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up if you like Instant Pot recipes, so I know to make more of them on my channel. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the broth, the chilies, the beans, and we're gonna stir to combine. We're gonna bring this to a simmer and add the pasta. Next, we press the cancel button and we're gonna add the tomatoes and tomato sauce on top, covering the pasta just like this. We're gonna place the lid on our Instant Pot and seal it, and then we're gonna cook this on high for 4 minutes. When done, we want to do a quick release of the steam, making sure that we wait until all the pressure is released and the lid is safe to open. All I have to do is add the shredded cheese right into my mixture, stir it, and I'm going to let it melt while I go grab my bowl. Check it out, hearty, super delish, and I know that this is a type of meal that leftovers will taste even better the next day. Let's try it. So good. Now guys, if you love simple recipes like this one, make sure to check out this next video. See you next time.